Good morning, everyone. It is your FA3 model paper for 5th class. Syllabus is about maps and routes, and time is the FA3 syllabus. Now, all of you see the first map here. It is about a games complex. It is about a games complex. First blank is about a fountain is located dash the games complex. Dash the games complex. See here, it is the games complex and it is the fountain here. So which side it will be? This is a north, this is south, this is east, and this is the west. So which direction the fountain is? It is in the south side, so we have to write here south side. The kids swimming pool is dash the games complex. Kids swimming pool is dash side, it is in the east side. So east side. Next one. The number of light poles to which four lights are fixed. Four lights are fixed. See here how many there are. Here one and two. So we have to write two. Here two. How many cars can be seen in this picture? See how many cars are here? One and two. So we have to write two cars. So two here. Roads are laid on dash sides of the games complex. How many sides? Four sides also road is available. So we have to write four sides. How many light poles are there in the games complex? How many light poles are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many are there? 11 light poles are there for the games complex. So we have to write 11 light poles. Now all of you choose the correct answer. 5 hours is equal to how many seconds? Option A 16,000 seconds. Option B 24,000 seconds. Option C 18,000 seconds. 18,000 seconds. Option D 12,000 seconds. Option C is the correct one. 5 hours is equal to 18,000 seconds. 5 hours is equal to 18,000 seconds. So option C here. 5 days 15 hours is equal to how many hours? 5 days 15 hours is equal to how many hours? 5 days means each day having 24 hours. Each day having 24 hours. For each day it is having 24 hours. So 5 days means 120 hours and 15 hours still there. So 120 plus 15, it's 135 hours. How many hours are there? 135 hours are there. 8:20 p.m. in 24-hour clock is written as 8:20 p.m. is written as 20 hours 20 minutes. 20 hours 20 minutes. So it is the option D. Next one. 3 decades. 3 decades is equal to how many years? 3 decades means 30 years. So option C. 1,000 years. 1,000 years means 1 millennium. How many millenniums? 1 millennium. NNIUM, millennium. So it's in the option B. Number of weeks in a year. How many weeks are there in a year? 46, 52, 62, 50. It is 52. So option B. Observe the time in the clock and answer the following. What is the time in the clock? See here, there is a clock. And what is the time the clock is showing here? 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So we have to write here 8 o'clock. Not 8 hours. Here we have to write 8 o'clock. Now next blank. What time it will be in 4 hours? Now the time is 8 o'clock. After 4 hours means it's 12 o'clock. How many? What is the time? 12 o'clock. What time was it? 2 hours and 40 minutes ago. What is the time when it is 2 hours and 40 minutes ago? The time is 5 hours 20 minutes. 5 hours 20 minutes. What time will it be in 8 hours? In 2 hours. Now the time is 8 o'clock. When we add 2 hours of time to that clock, the time begins 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Next one. Fill in the blanks. The time for a quarter past 7 can be represented as quarter past means 15 minutes are completed. So quarter past 7 means 7:15. The time is 7:15. If a 2 hours 15 minutes long event starts at 5:45 p.m., then it will end at one event is there and it starts with 2 hours 15 minutes and it the event schedule is about 2 hours 15 minutes and the program is started at 5 hours 45 minutes. It is in the pm means evening time. So after 2 hours 15 minutes means the time will be 8 p.m. 8 p.m. 1 millennium is equal to how many centuries? 1 millennium means 10 centuries. 1 millennium means 10 centuries. 4 days is equal to how many hours? 4 days. For each day it is having 24 hours. For 4 days means 96 hours. How many hours? 96 hours. 10 years, 5 months plus 9 years, 7 months. 10 years plus 5 months, 10 years plus 9 years. It is 19 years. 5 months plus 7 months. It's 12 months. So 12 months means 1 year. Again 1 year. 19 plus 1, it's 20. 20 years means 2 decades. 2 decades. How many decades? 2 decades. 48 hours is equal to how many days? 48 hours is equal to 2 days. Answer the following word problems. See the first one. Ramesh exercises for half an hour every day. How many minutes does he exercise in 9 days? See here, he does exercises for every day in half an hour. So we have to write like this. Ramesh exercises for daily is equal to 30 minutes. How many minutes he does the work? 30 minutes. Then what about 9 days? Then what about 9 days? It is equal to question mark. So we can multiply 30 days, sorry, 30 minutes into 9 days. 30 minutes into 9 days. So it is 9 zeros are 0, 9 threes are 27. So 27 minutes, 270 minutes for 9 days. So 9 days workout is 270 minutes. Next sum. Mary started to draw a picture at 1 hour 45 minutes pm. She completed it at 3 hours 15 minutes. How much time did she take to draw the picture? Draw the picture. So we have to write it as Mary started a picture at what time she started? 1 hour 45 minutes and it is a PM. Completed. At which time she completed the work? Completed at 3 hours 15 minutes. 3 hours 15 minutes PM. So we have to find the time between the two intervals. Time between the two intervals. So the total time she took for drawing is she took to draw the picture. Draw the picture. It is 1 hour 30 minutes. How many minutes? 1 hour 30 minutes. So we have to write minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. Next sum. Now the next sum. A bus travels from town A to town B. It leaves town A at 9:30 a.m. The journey takes 4 hours 45 minutes. At what time will the bus reach town B? So we can write it as Bus travels from town A to town B. Town A to town B. So we next shift bus leaves town A at 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m. What is the journey time? Journey time is here the journey time we mentioned. See here 4 hours 45 minutes. What is the time? 4 hours 45 minutes. So bus journey is about a bus reaches town B at we have to add the two timing intervals from 9:30 a.m. to 4 hours. It means 9 after 4, so the time is 13, and here 30 plus 45 it's 75. So 13 plus 1 hour we can, and 1 hour 15 minutes are left. So here the time is 2 hours 15 minutes. So it is in the afternoon, so we have to write it as 12 hours 15 minutes, or we can write 14 hours 15 minutes. 14 hours 15 minutes we can write. Now see the next one. Match the clocks that shows the same time. Here it is 9:25, 2:25, 6:25, 4 a.m., 5:35 p.m., 11:18, 6 a.m., 5:18, 3:18, 6:45. So here we have to match the 24-hour clock for each one. So see 9:25, 9:25. See the first one, it is 9 hours 25 minutes PM. PM means 9 night time. So in the 24-hour format, 9:25 shows as 21 hours 25 minutes. 21 hours 25 minutes. Next one, 2:25 PM. PM means it's in the afternoon. So 2:25 PM means 14 hours 25 minutes. 14 hours 25 minutes. Next one, 6 hours 25 minutes. So the time is in the 24-hour format, 6 means 18 hours. So 25 minutes 25. 4 a.m. 4 a.m. So here 4 only. It is in the morning time. AM means morning time. So we have to 4 o'clock. That's all. 5:35 p.m. 5:35 p.m. 5:35 p.m. means 5:35. It means 17 hours 35 minutes. 17 hours 35 minutes. Next one, 11 hours 18 minutes p.m. So 11 hours means 23 hours. 18 minutes means 18 minutes. So next one, 6 o'clock a.m. So we have to draw for 6. 5 hours 18 minutes pm. 5 hours 18 minutes pm. So here the time is 17 hours 18 minutes. 17 hours 18 minutes. 3 hours 18 minutes pm. 3 hours 18 minutes pm. So 15 hours 18 minutes. 6:45 am. 6:45 am. AM means morning time. So we have to drop for 6 hours 45 minutes. 6 hours 45 minutes. Now next one. Look at the given overview of a small town and answer the following. So here boutique, clothes shop, laundry, raw houses, apartments, school, market complex, hotel, mall, AV towers, and a hospital is there. Now first blank is about the hospital is almost located at the dash of the town. Dash of the town, It is nearly most almostly located at the middle of the town. So here we have to write middle, 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 middle. Next one. The market complex is located the school dash the school. The market complex is located dash the school market complex, and it is a school. So beside, it is not beside. So we have to write beside. The raw houses are located behind the dash. Raw houses are here, and this is the apartment. So apartment, we have to write raw houses are behind the apartments. So here it is apartments. Next one. The dash and laundry are adjacent to one another. Adjacent means besides. Adjacent means besides. So this is the laundry house and this is the raw house. These are besides. So what is that? Here they mentioned already laundry house. So we have to write, what we have to write here? Raw houses. So here raw houses. Next one. The number of parks in the town. Here how many parks are there? 1 and 2. So we have to write 2 parks. How many parks are there? 2 parks are there. The total number of row houses and apartments together is, how many row houses are there? 1, 2, 3. Apartments are 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. So we have to write here 6. So this is the model paper for you. All of you prepare well for your FA3 exams, and all the best.